I'm going to show you how you can use your OTC card at Walmart. First off, you have to add your card to the food and OTC benefits section of Walmart here. Just tap on this to add your card and then go ahead and add your OTC card into the wallet section of your account here. Now, after you have added the card onto your wallet section, what do you do after? So, the thing you do after is that first off, there will be a couple of ways to check. So, for example, if you want to buy something and then you want to check if it's eligible for your OTC card, for example, this is the app, right? If you want to check if it's eligible, you just have to go to Benefits and Program and see if it's Benefits Program eligible. But what if you're not using the app? What if you're using the web? If you're using the web, you can go ahead and see, you can see Benefits Program eligible. That's how you know your OTC card can be used on this product. So you can see Benefits Program eligible and you can see it's eligible. But what if you're on the actual Walmart store? No worries. You can use the Walmart app to check on the barcode there. You can scan the barcode and then you can see on the bottom there, benefits program eligible. That's how you know you can use and buy this benefits program eligible with your OTC card, right? And if you are eligible with this, you can just add your card and then you can swipe your card at Walmart as well to use your OTC card on Walmart with any of these items that's OTC or benefits program eligible.